In this video, we will show you how to change rows to column in Excel and vice versa. To change the column or row and vice versa, you can using this formula or using two methods here. For example, the method 1 using formula, I will try to create some column here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I have 5 column contain the number 1 until 5, and I want to change this column. Okay. I want to change this column into row. Okay. To do that, you can first using formula. Okay. Using transpose. Okay. Transpose, and you can block the column you want to change into the rows. Now you have rows. After that, you want to change these rows into the column. It is also the same. For example, you can change using transpose. Okay, transpose, and you can block your rows data so it will turn into the column like this. Okay, you can see there. Now you have the data that you can transpose, or you can change from column into rows, or from rows into column. This is a little bit hard rather than using the second method. To using the second method, okay, I will create the data again until 5. Okay, like this. And to change, you can just copy this. Okay, copy all of your data. After you copy all of data, you can right click and paste using paste special and select transpose. Now you have the data like this. How to change this row to column again? You can just easily right click again and copy and paste using special, paste special, and select transpose again. Now, very easy to change rows into the column and vice versa in Microsoft Excel. Okay, that's all tutorial how you can change the rows into column in Microsoft Excel and vice versa. Thanks for watching.